The aggressors end up protesting in favor of the person on trial, like in the case of Tracy Hunter. As an ex-judge, Hunter has had a huge fall from grace, and she now finds herself before Judge Patrick Dinklager at Hamilton County Common Pleas Court in Cincinnati. Hunter was originally convicted of charges relating to abuse of power after she leaked confidential documents to her brother so that he could keep his job as a corrections officer. She was sentenced to 6 months in jail, but with her in-depth knowledge of the legal system, Hunter dragged the appeals process out for an incredible 6 years, managing to stay free as she pursued her case through the courts. However, she has now exhausted all avenues of appeal, and today she is in court to hear whether the 6-month sentence will be imposed or not. Unlike most defendants, Hunter has something of a cult following, with many supporters believing her conviction to be politically motivated, and with crowds of allies gathered inside and outside the court, tensions are running high. Hunter's luck has run out, as Judge Dinklager orders that she serve the entire sentence, and it sets in motion an extraordinary chain of events.
Number 1, you pay the cost of these proceedings. Number 2, you are to do not violate any laws. And number 3, you are to do 6 months in the Hamilton County Justice Center. Credit 1 day. Mr. or Ms. Deputy can take her away.
As the former judge stands, a collective outcry rises from the gallery, and her supporters begin to shout in protest. The deputies standing in the center aisle turn to the left, raising their arms to try to calm the crowd. However, as they do so, a woman on the right-hand side of the gallery sees her opportunity and stands, rushing toward Hunter without interruption. As she nears her destination, the deputy closest to the podium spots her and frantically moves to stop her. The rising tension suddenly boils over, and as one of the deputies moves to lead Hunter from the courtroom, she begins to struggle before going limp. By now, the gallery is in uproar, and supporters cry, "No justice," as the judge-turned-felon is dragged unceremoniously from the courtroom. The woman who attempted to approach Hunter is handcuffed and led out of the court by officers. The remainder of Hunter's supporters are still incensed as they exit the courtroom, and as a result, they rally outside the court building, chanting and marching. Hunter eventually serves just 3 months of her sentence before being released. Hunter's support came from the public, and though the courtroom drama was out of line, the ultimate intention was morally upstanding.